Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and today I want to bring you a quick video to let you know that I did go out and pick up a new camera. Yeah, I know, man. I had the Canon M50 for a good solid 2 weeks, did videos about it, not a bunch of equipment, but I bought enough equipment for it, and I loved it. Don't let anybody tell you that the Canon M50 is not capable, because that camera is an absolute beast. It did everything that I wanted a camera to do, but I really wanted to start using that 4K a little bit better, and I actually wanted to have some type of autofocus when it came to 4K. I mean, I know the crop was fine for static shots like this, set it to manual focus and rock out with it and everything will be cool, but I wanted to have autofocus with 4K and not have to worry about anything. So I'm shooting with the new camera right now. This is in 4K, so let me go ahead and pick up the box. But I did go out and pick me up a Sony a6500. Now, you already know I was going back and forth about the Sony Alpha series. Now, I didn't try one, so I really can't judge a product if I don't try it. You know what I mean? So I know in the back of my mind I want to try one. In the back of my mind, I know my dream camera is the Sony a7R III. So I said, let me go out here. I got a great deal, brand new actually, on this a6500. Now I am shooting with the kit lens, and that's basically the 16 to 50 millimeters. I think I'm around, I don't know, I think I'm around 22 millimeters right now or something, but it's not a, it's not a super deep depth of field behind me. But this is just, I'm getting warmed up with this camera because this camera has tons of settings. I've been messing with this camera literally all day long. Went and picked it up this morning. I did buy it with body only, but I went to KEH, and that's a local used camera store in Atlanta, and I did go out and pick me up a kit lens until I do more research on what Sigma lens or prime lens that I want to use as my main shooter. So right now what you're seeing is a 16 to 50 millimeter. I have my same lights up. It is not as bright, it's not as fast as my f2 on my Canon M50, but we will make it work. We're gonna research some lens, research some glass, and we will have some more in here soon. But I just wanted to give you a quick video to let you know that I did go out and pick myself up a Sony a6500. I don't know what else to say, man. I know you guys are gonna be like, yo, T, make up your mind, man. You all over the place. But just setting this camera up, yes, it was a little harder, but I can already tell once you know your settings and you know what to actually set the camera on, then you're good to go. And I know you have custom profiles and everything that you can make. I already set up one custom profile, so I should be good to go in any future videos that I shoot. But let me know down in the comment section below what you think about this camera. I think it's super crisp. The 4K is absolutely beautiful, and I can really tell the difference when it comes from the 6K down sampled to 4K instead of me pulling 4K right off the Canon M50. Now I'm still messing with the colors, so if the colors are a little funny in this video, I apologize. The ISO settings, I'm trying to get everything right, so expect it to be perfected, later on down the road. But I am planning on live streaming with this tomorrow on Tuesday Night Takeover. So if you guys have never tuned in, definitely tune in. If you're watching this video on Monday, tune in tomorrow, 7:30 Eastern PM. I will be live streaming from the a6500, and I will over the time do my reviews and how I feel about this camera. But right now I'm really liking it. I may have been downplaying it, but I'm really liking it right now. And I know I need extra batteries, I know I need external displays, but I have some of that stuff already coming in the works. But let me know down in the comment section how you like this quality of the video. As always, give it a like, comment, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll catch you next time. Later.